Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine. Huh. Last time we have discussed what we call as the deficiency symptoms. उसमें हमने एक टर्म ऐसी भी पढ़ी थी दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्रिटिकल कंसंट्रेशन. क्रिटिकल कंसंट्रेशन में हमने क्या देखा कि it is that concentration when the what we call as an element is available to the plant, yeah, minimum concentration what we'll see of an element below which what we will see that the plant it shows the deficiency symptoms, that is called as critical, what we call as critical concentration. Now we have got one more. When the concentration of an element is higher, when we will see कि कोई एलिमेंट हमारे पास अवेलेबल है, प्लांट अवेलेबल है इन द लार्जर अमाउंट्स, एंड what will be its effects, that element it will be toxic, that element will be the toxic to the element. So what the biologists or botanists have studied, so we will see we have got two terms. A condition हमारे पास regarding the what we call as the absorption of the mineral nutrient. First condition हमारे पास है when the element is available to the plant below, या हम कहेंगे below which हम कहेंगे कि जो plant है it shows symptoms. सेकंड कंडीशन अब हमारे पास है that is what we call the condition, what we will see the concentration of the mineral element when it is available to the plant in larger amount so that it becomes toxic to the plant. So how we can now define this toxic या toxicity को हम कैसे define कर लेंगे? It can be defined as concentration of the element that concentration of the element that retards the dry weight of the tissue by 10%. That is called as toxicity. So what we will see, it is the concentration of the element, उतनी concentration that retards the dry weight, जो कम, that reduces the dry weight of the tissue by 10%. So we have got three conditions. एक हम कहेंगे when the element is available in less quantities, then it, इससे क्या हो जाती है, deficiency पैदा हो जाती है. when the element is available in what we call as larger quantities, it reduces the dry weight, that is called as toxicity. Third, when the element is available in the average concentration, so we can say average concentration, yeah, with the less concentration than the more concentration, that is the less average concentration, that will be उतनी concentration, so that the हम कहेंगे growth and development जो plant की होती है that takes place at ease. Now this absorption of plant, this nutrient element in larger quantities, this absorption of this concentration of the nutrient element in larger quantity, it hampers, yeah, it decreases क्या हम कहेंगे absorption of other elements. So the toxic elements हम बात करेंगे, जो toxicity होती है, this toxicity it takes place by means of a particular element, but that decreases the absorption of the other elements resulting in deficiencies, now this toxicity की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, it is different, this toxicity level it is different for different plants. For example, अगर हम सोयाबीन की बात कर लेंगे, सोयाबीन में ये देखा गया है कि that manganese is toxic, this element. In case of soybean, this manganese is toxic at concentration beyond, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, 600 milligram per gram. This manganese, in case of soybean, it is toxic at concentration beyond 600 milligram per gram. हाँ, ये भी देखा गया है कि कभी कभार जो ड्यू टू द एक्सेस हमें देखते हैं कि जब कोई एलिमेंट इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड, इट इज हम कहेंगे कि इस एलिमेंट की दैट इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन लार्जर क्वांटिटीज, इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन एक्सेस क्वांटिटी. अब जो अदर एलिमेंट, उसकी जो अपटेक ऑफ अदर एलिमेंट होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो रिड्यूस्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल हम यहां पर देखेंगे कि हमने ये बताया कि कभी कभार कि समटाइम्स ड्यू टू द एक्सेस ऑफ एन एलिमेंट, अपटेक ऑफ अदर एलिमेंट इज रिड्यूस्ड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे पास एक दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्राउन स्पॉट्स. दिस इज अ डिजीज. ब्राउन स्पॉट्स की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, they are enclosed by veins which are called as chloritic veins. अब this brown spot जो है, it is the main symptom of manganese, what we call as this manganese toxicity. जब मैग्नीज की मिकदार ज्यादा हो जाती है, these brown spots are found and these are enclosed by chloritic veins. Now it has been found, अगर हम मैग्नीज की बात करेंगे कि मैग्नीज जो है it has been uptaken in larger quantities, there we will see there are mainly three main effects. 3 effects हम देख सकते हैं. What are those effects? Number first, when the manganese is what we'll see, there is the uptake of manganese in excess quantities. 3 effects are found. First one, that this manganese, it competes with, see the ml, manganese competes with iron and magnesium. This manganese, it competes with iron and magnesium for nutrient uptake. एक इफेक्ट ये. So when a particular element, for example, हमने मैग्नीज की बात कही, when it is toxic, when it is taken in the larger quantities, 3 prominent effects are found. First one, this manganese, it competes with iron and magnesium for nutrient uptake. अगर हम सेकंड एक और इफेक्ट देख सकते हैं, what is that? This manganese may chuck what we call as the calcium transport to shoot apex. We know that this calcium, it plays an important role in the formation of the middle lamella, that is a pectin जो होते हैं, वहां पर this calcium, it plays an important role. So when this manganese is taken in larger quantities, we will see it checks the transport of calcium to the shoot apex. So here what we will see, जो cells जो होते हैं at the apices, जो वहां पर विच आर इन द मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल जो हमारे पास होते हैं, विच आर इन द कंटिन्यूअस स्टेट ऑफ डिवीजन में होते हैं, वहां पर हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन जो होती है दैट इज डिस्टर्ब्ड। थर्ड हम देखते हैं कि जो एक और प्रोमिनेंट इफेक्ट हम देख सकते हैं, व्हाट इज दैट, मैग्नीज ऑल्सो, इसके बाद क्या होती है, इट ऑल्सो कंपीट्स with magnesium. Manganese also competes with magnesium for binding with enzymes. At binding sites in enzymes, what we will say at binding sites, this magnesium, it plays an important role, but this manganese, it also competes with this magnesium. So what we will see, there is the larger uptake of, there is the toxicity of the manganese, but this manganese, it competes, हमने क्या देखा, that it competes, या हम क्या देखते हैं कि that it competes with the three main effects हमने देखे इन द प्लांट्स में। फर्स्ट वन, इट कम्पीट्स विद द आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम फॉर न्यूट्रिएंट अपटेक। सेकंड वन हमने क्या देखा, मैग्नीज में चेक कैल्शियम ट्रांसपोर्ट टू शूट अपेक्स। थर्ड हमने देखा मैग्नीज आल्सो कम्पीट्स विद मैग्नीशियम फॉर बाइंडिंग विद द शूट अपेक्स। सो इट हैपन, सो हम कंक्लूड क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो मैग्नीज जो है, मैग्नीज इन टॉक्सिक कंसंट्रेशन, इन लार्ज मैग्नीज इन toxic concentration, it leads to deficiency of किस की, आयरन की, मैग्नीशियम की एंड कैल्शियम की। So this element, this manganese, it is in toxic concentration, it is in larger amounts, but it leads to the deficiency of iron, it leads to the deficiency of manganese, it leads to the deficiency of calcium, because this manganese, it competes with these elements in performing their what we call as the functions. So we will see what we mean by this toxicity. Toxicity simply means that what we'll see, the concentration of the elements, that concentration of the elements that retards that reduces the dry weight of tissue by about 10%, that reduces the dry weight of the tissue by 10%. But this value, अगर हम कहेंगे, what we call this toxicity level, it differs in plants. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने बात एक की थी इन सोयाबीन, अगर हम देखेंगे दिस मैग्नीज, इट इज टॉक्सिक एट कंसंट्रेशन बियॉन्ड 600 milligram per gram. Now actually what we will see in case of this toxicity, in case of the toxicity, we have studied that the element which is in toxic concentration, the element which is in the toxic concentration, it leads to the deficiency of the other elements. For example, in case of the manganese is in toxic concentration, but it leads to the deficiency of iron, it leads to the deficiency of magnesium, it leads to the deficiency of the calcium. So this was all about this, what we called as the toxicity of the mineral element when it is absorbed in the larger amount, how it affects the absorption of the other elements. And we have concluded that when an element is in toxic concentration, it leads to the deficiency of the other element, like this manganese, जो केस हमने पढ़ा, when the manganese is in the toxic concentration, it leads to the deficiency of iron, it leads to the deficiency of magnesium, and it leads to the deficiency of calcium. So this was all about today's topic. In the next video, we will proceed further and we will try to discuss the mechanism, या हम कहेंगे uptake of mineral nutrients. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.